Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create a store and customize the store on Shopify, about resume and CV templates business, easy and quick. So first of all, type Shopify on the search. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their products. So first of all, enter here your email address and start free trial. Now you can skip all this if you want. I'm gonna just skip this and let's continue. So after you choose an account, you're gonna wait a few seconds for creating this store. So the first thing you have to do, you go to the online store and go to the themes. So here you can change the themes if you want and customize them. So here you can change, you can select any theme you want. I'm gonna just skip this theme. Just click add and wait to install in the theme, and after this you can publish it. So for example, I'm gonna choose this and click customize, and it will take you to your homepage store. So first of all, here you can change the style of your homepage. You can make it like a desktop style, or like a mobile style, or like a full screen style. So I'm gonna just keep it like this, like a desktop style. So first, here we have the header, the announcement bar. You can change the color scheme. You can also show separator line. You can show icons on desktop. Here if you wanna auto change announcements, you can enable country and region selector. You can enable language selector. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the announcements. So here you can change the text. You can pass a link or search for something, for example collections, or whatever you want to add. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the header. So here you can change the desktop logo position. You can change the main menu. Also you can change the desktop menu type. You can change the sticky header. Here you can show separator line. You can change the color scheme and the menu color scheme. Here you can edit the mobile logo position. You can edit the spacing and the section padding. So that's it. Here you can edit the top and the bottom. Here you can enable search suggestions. You can edit the card type. If you want to add your social media links, your Twitter link or Facebook or Pinterest or Instagram or whatever you want to add here. So that's it. Now let's move on to the logo. So here you have to add your logo from your library. Just for example, let's search on it on the browser. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. Just for example, of course you have to upload it from your library. This is just for example. So this is your logo right now. This is your logo right now. You can edit it at any time. You can change it at any time you want. Here you can change the desktop logo width. You can change the vertical offset. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the image banner. So here you can you have two images. You can select the first image. For example, the first image you can select it from the browser, and the second image you can select it from the browser, and the second image you can select it from the free image. For example, I'm gonna choose this. Here you can edit the image overlay opacity. You can change the banner height. Also you can change the desktop contents position. You can show container on desktop. You can change the desktop content alignment. Here you can change the animations. the image behavior. You can change the mobile content alignments. Also you can turn this on, stock image on mobile and show container on mobile. So that's it. Now let's move on to the heading of the image banner. So here you can generate the text, just describe what this text is about, resume and CV template. Of course you can describe more. This is just for example. So for example I'm gonna choose this. Here you can change the heading size. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the buttons. So here you can change the first button label. You can also change the first button link. You can use outline button style. If you already add the second image, you can add the second button label and the second button link. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section, future collection section. So here you can generate the text. Also you can just describe what this text is about, the headline about the benefits of whatever you want here. So that's it. Resume and CV template. Here you can change the description, describe what this description is about. Here you can show collection description from the admin. You can also change the description style. Here you can make product full width. You can enable view all if collection has more products than shown. You can also enable carousel on desktop. Here you can edit the products card. You can show second image on hover. You can show vendor. You can show products region. Also you can enable quick add button. You can enable swipe on mobile. So that's it. Now let's get back. And if you want to add something new on your homepage, just click here and select what kind of section you want to add on your homepage from here. So that's it. Now let's move to the last section of the website, the footer section. So you can change the color scheme. Also you can edit the image sign up. You can show image sign up. Here you can generate the text of the heading. You can enable follow on shop. You can show social media icons. So that's it. After you're done from designing websites, all you have to do is save this, and let's get back to the dashboard, to the home page. So after you add your first product and customize your online store, now you can just name your store, type any name you want. Here you can add your store phone, you can add your store email, and that's it. So after this you can just launch your online store after you customize your store and edit it and add your first products, and after this you can just launch it and publish it. So that's it for today. That's how to customize and publish a store on Shopify for resume and CV templates business, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.